In this paper, we propose a visual simulation technique called appearance manifold for modeling the time-variant appearance of a material from data captured at a single instant in time. Here we show an example generated with our technique. The time-variant appearance of this gargoyle model is generated from the material sample shown in the lower left corner. The key observation in our approach is that the concurrent variations in appearance over a surface represent different degrees of weathering. Here's an overview of our system. The input is a set of spatial variant BRDFs captured from a material sample at a given instant in time. Our technique automatically analyzes the reflectance data to generate an initial appearance manifold. The user then identifies the representative points of least and most weathering. From this annotated appearance manifold, our system automatically generates a 2D weathering degree map from the input sample. Given time-variant weathering degrees on the surface, we can synthesize the final time-variant surface appearance based on weathering degree map and the annotated appearance manifold. Here we compare a result generated by our method with a result generated by linear blending of two textures of the material according to weathering degree. Note that our method can generate realistic BRDF and texture variations for the weathering procedure. In this example, the appearance of 3 bananas at different stages of weathering is synthesized from the material sample shown in the bottom left corner. We applied our technique to a spatially variant BRDF measured from the material sample. Both spatial and temporal variations of the material appearance are well kept to generate convincing rendering results. Another application of appearance manifolds is the weathering and deweathering of an object. We have built a user interface for controlling the weathering and deweathering process. The user can modify the degrees of weathering and deweathering in keyframes using the mapping functions shown in the user interface. The appearance of the leaf and its temporal variations are then updated accordingly. Here's the result of weathering and deweathering effects of the leaf. Notice that the specularity of the leaf gradually decreases as the leaf becomes yellow. Also notice the change in translucency as the leaf becomes older. Another application of appearance manifolds is automatic transfer of weathering effects from one object to another. Here we show a bronze Buddha model. We capture its diffuse color and measure its geometry using a range scanner. We transfer the tarnished stone onto the Buddha. Notice that the distribution of tarnish on the surface successfully follows the tarnish variation on the original surface. Here we transfer another patina BRDF onto the object. Both the grass material and its weathering effects are automatically transferred onto the object and produce natural-looking weathering results. Finally, we show an interesting application for image weathering deweathering. For the weathered door in a single image shown here, we can automatically generate a natural-looking image of the door with more weathering and less weathering. Here we show a weathering sequence. In conclusion, the appearance manifold is an efficient visual simulation technique to generate realistic weathering effects and its temporal variations from data captured at a single instant in time.